I'm very happy and pleased to be selected as King Momo 2021. Thanks to Goa Tourism, GTDC, the Director of Tourism, all the judges for having faith in me and selecting me. As King Momo, my message to everyone in Goa would be Goa without the carnival would obviously not be right. Yes, this pandemic has brought us down, but thanks to the frontline workers, the doctors, nurses, police, government servants who have worked tirelessly to bring control over. Thanks to the people who are following SOPs. Carnival will be celebrated. It is a sign of us showing a victory over the pandemic, over the virus. Yes, a request to everyone, follow SOPs during the Carnival parade and even otherwise, and that's the only way we'll be able to come victorious over the pandemic. Viva Carnival, Viva. Well, I didn't know what the criteria for King Momo would be, because the judges didn't exactly let us know what the criteria would be. But assuming on the way they questioned us, they were looking out for confidence, command over the language. They made me sing a song, so they're obviously looking for somebody who could entertain the crowd, maybe kind of bring the party to life, kind of as they would like to say. So that's all that I can say. But thanks to the judges, I am here today as King Momo. Well, I had applied 2 years ago, but yes, I wasn't selected. It was somebody else had won that year. But this year, 2021, yes, I am King Momo for the Goa Carnival. Well, as we are all celebrating Carnival in a few days, my message to the people of Goa and even tourists to come in, please follow SOPs, because with safety that we do, the precautions that we take, we could win over this pandemic, over this virus. Have fun, but be responsible.